Hi, this is Dave Philippi with FabCAD, and I'm now going to show you some cool features of our horizontal rail program. So I'm going to click on the program here. And we're going to start by importing a template. So I'm just going to import a plain 1.25" tube rail and load that. And here you'll see where you enter all the dimensions for your railing, your length, your height, your plate thickness, or if you're going to core drill, you can put a minus number there. If the rail is connected to a wall or a column, you can uncheck the posts on either side. You can also do horizontal and vertical pickets, and then you have your bottom bar clearance number here. And then you get to the members, and here you've got all your components of the railing. So the top rail, you'll see you have choices for that. You've got pipe, you've got square tube, you've got capping and channel, you've got molded tubular handrail, you got all kinds of choices, all kinds of sizes. Okay, so I click OK there. So I'm just going to go ahead and let me just draw this so you see what it looks like. So I'm going to get draw and pick a point, and it draws a rail and gives me the cut list. It's like that, all right? You can also enter unit cost and unit weight for the different components, and it'll generate a total weight and total cost of that rail. All right, so let's make some changes with the existing template. So I'll click horizontal rail program again. I want to add a secondary top rail. So I'm going to take the existing top rail, I'm going to copy that information and click it in here. Click OK, and then I'm going to click on this, and I'm going to set the distance between, say, 5 inches. And then click OK, and when I go to the vertical pickets, I have an option here now to stop that picket at the secondary top rail. And you see here, I can choose maximum gap or fixed spacing for my picket spacing. Then I click OK. So let's draw this. Let's see what this looks like. So I'm going to put that right over here, and you'll have a railing now with a top border. Okay? Let's just do one more thing here. I am going to add a custom spindle to this. So let me go back to the horizontal rail program again. And I'll go to the vertical pickets and have an option here to use spindles. I want to select odd as the number of pickets so that it starts and ends with the same thing. You would do the same thing if you choose the add alternating short pickets, which is another cool feature. Because you want to start with a long, you can start with a short picket, but you want to end with a short picket, you can specify odd. All right. So now when I click on use spindles, I get a tab that opens up here called spindles. So I go in here, and the number of items in the pattern is, I'm going to pick 2. And the first one I'm going to pick is the picket itself. So I'll pick that, and then the second item I want to pick, I'll pick this piece right next to it. Then I click draw. And I go down here, and it draws the railing with the spindles, just like that. Now, there's other types of railings that can be drawn. Over here we have cast panel rails. Here's a pipe rail, which can easily be changed to a cable rail. Here's a glass panel rail. Here is a mesh railing. And here's a chain link fabrication. And on the glass railing, we have all of this stuff is created with our hatches that we have collected here. So I could go in, and if I wanted to depict the glass a little better here, I could just click in this little design to show that it's glass. Your customer will love that. A very versatile program. Thanks for watching. Bye.